Welcome to East County Preowned Superstore, your premier destination for purchasing pre-owned. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with driver 4-way power seat adjuster, rear view camera, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, air conditioning, 6-speaker audio system feature, rear seat center armrest, tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, 4.1 rear axle ratio, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Here at East County Pre-Owned Superstore, we've been San Diego County's best for over 20 years and the #1 independent dealership in California 15 years running. Let us prove to you why so many people trust us when it comes to buying their next vehicle. Our knowledgeable, no-pressure staff will help you drive away in a vehicle that is just right for you. So come visit us here at East County Pre-Owned Superstore. You'll be glad you did.